We're here in Plymouth, Massachusetts today after this weekend's nor'easter, where we picked up nearly 2 3/4 inches of rain, and this morning's rainfall, which picked up another ½ inch of rain. The problem that we had on this particular job site was that the water coming down off this driveway, which is approximately 120 foot long at about a 14-degree slope, was speeding up on the asphalt and then cutting behind the existing timber wall and existing shed area that used to be here. Our challenge was to slow this water down, harness it, and redirect it. We did this in multiple ways. First, we created this pond pit. It's approximately 2 foot deep with an 18-inch berm. The pond has a drain in the center of it, which, if it's functioning properly and not clogged, will facilitate most of the water down into a dry well below with an exhaust pipe. In the event that drain does clog, we have an 18-inch berm. The water will slowly spill over the top of that berm and hit the drain tile behind the retaining wall. There's another 4-inch pipe at the bottom of this wall. That also connects into the same dry well pit at the rear of the property. In the event that the water coming through that is too much, it'll bleed through the retaining wall block onto the permeable patio. Permeable patios are much different than your standard patio system, where we would normally be using a polymeric sand. Polymeric sand seals the joints. The permeable systems are designed so that we're putting a pea stone in between the joint. As soon as the water hits this, the water bleeds right down into the base layer of 3/4 inch stone, and it mitigates into the subsurface layer. Once in the subsurface layer, it slowly disperses, and you no longer have the speed and ground force that does the damage of your typical water runoff. In front of the patio, we've added another layer of protection, which is a planting bed. The root systems of these plants will absorb a lot of the water that's coming from the subsurface area prior to hitting our last area, which is the recreation of our grass. After receiving over 3 inches of rain, you can tell that there's been practically no erosion whatsoever to brand new unconsolidated soil. There's been no movement to any of those stones, and there's been no change to the drain area. This is one project here at Well Done Landscapes that we're incredibly proud of, because it's these types of innovative solutions that really separate us from the competition. If you're looking for a great project at a reasonable price, give us a call today. Well Done Landscapes, 508-496-1315. Hit extension 1 to schedule your estimate today.